Victoria, and I teach absolute beginners how to crochet. So today I'll be teaching you how to make back loop. All right, so you can see it in some abbreviations. They could write B loop, so I'll be teaching you how to make that. All right, I've made the foundation chain and I've made the row one, or I can call it round one. Then I'm about to make a back loop right now. Okay, so I'm going to start. You start making your front loop or back loop when you have built in some stitches. So this is a double crochet stitch or double crochet pattern that I made. Okay, so for the row 2, I'll start making the back loop. To start my row 2, I'll chain 2, okay, yarn over like this, and then place your working wear like this. Okay, in there you will see a place like a V. All right, you see like a V. Let me show you. You see that there's something like a V. This is 1 and 2. All right, 1 and 2. It's given a V shape like this. All right, so to place in the back loop, you see this side. All right, this is the first stitch, right? Let me bring it close so you can see it. All right, this is the first stitch, right? This is the back loop. Okay, that is the back loop of it. So normally you just put it inside this. So this is called both loops. You're putting it both in the front and the back. But for the back loop, it is you turn it like this and you look for the back loop of it. All right, so I'm trying to make it for you to see it. All right, so this is the back loop, just like this. All right, okay, let's go. Yarn over, and I'm doing a double crochet. Okay, and then I'm sorry. Okay, so I'm going to keep showing you for you to see it. Yarn over, because you're making a double crochet pattern. This is a back loop. All right, you can only see it when you turn your work like this. When you turn it like this, then you can only see your back loop like that. All right, yarn over, put in this back loop, the strand. Okay, yeah, and then you see the difference. All right, I will do 2 more for you to see, and then I'll meet you at the end. Okay, so since I'm doing a double crochet, I yarn over and then I get it at the back loop like this. So if I say make DC in B loop, you know that it is back loop. All right, you know what, let me do 1 more for you. Yarn over and ensure you're not putting it inside here, you're putting it at the back of the loop. All right, so this is the back loop. You can see this front stitch is popping out like this. All right, I'll meet you at the end. All right, I've reached the end of it. Sometimes it can be confusing here at the last part, but you ensure that you find the stitch there and the back loop. All right, this is the back loop of mine, rather. Yeah, this is the back loop of mine, and then I got it, so you could see how beautiful it is. All right, so I'll be using a bigger yarn. I'll be using an extra ply yarn for you to see how it is, because this is a thinner yarn. Okay, all right, do not worry, it won't take long. Imagine I'm using an extra yarn. In fact, it is sweeter to do like that. All right, so this is it. Of course, you know where the back loop is. It's right at the back here. Okay, so this is the first one, right? Okay, it's much sweeter when it's an extra yarn, but don't be lazy. Use your thin yarn if you need to use it. it's also very interesting. All right, so I hope you'll be able to do a back loop. All right, so the assignment for today is do 10 rows of double crochet B loop. Okay, ensure that the foundation chain is 10 or 15 if you'd like, but ensure that you do 10 rows of back loop, double crochet, of course. You can do half double crochet also, but for this assignment I want you to do double crochet B loop. All right, we've come to the end of this class. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. The next tutorial will be focusing on the front loop. All right, take care. Bye. So this is how back loops look like. Oh, so pretty, so beautiful.